Hello internet world, welcome to a new mega gadget collection. If you are new to the channel, these are the videos where I show you a whole range of technology and gadgets all in the one video. And if you are a regular viewer, welcome back. This is a new mega gadget collection. All of these products have been sent in free of charge by their respective manufacturers. No money's changed hands. I haven't been asked to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing the reviews of these products so you can make an informed buying decision. So without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the Neoh Hippo H1. It is a USB DAC and also a headphone amplifier with EQ. Really nicely designed, super affordable. Comes supplied inside this box here. We do get some instructions on the H1 included. It's going to get you up and running and show you all of the various connections. We also get a cable, of course, for connecting it, USB to, I think, mini USB on this one. And we also, of course, get the H1 itself. And this is a nice compact desktop headphone amp with EQ and DAC. On the front here, we've got a really nice little switch for switching between modes. Absolutely love how tactile that feels. We've also got various connections across the front for things like headphones and microphones. Two different size headphone connections as well. Really nice to see on a product of this price point. Nice angular design to it. On the back here, we've got the USB connection for connecting to your computer. We've got coaxial digital out, optical digital out, and the RCA type stereo phono outputs as well there. Really nicely designed. And then across the front here, we've got the rotary dial. Very, very nicely weighted. This is plastic, this portion here. We've got a combination of metals and plastics on this. It's just really nicely constructed. With regards to audio quality, I've been mainly using this as a headphone amp, and it has certainly improved the sort of sound stage and frequency range and openness of some of the headphones and IEMs I've been using this with. For the price point, it performs exceptionally well. This is from TOALLIN. It's their WL168 Wireless Webcam with USB receiver. I've not seen a product like this before. This is a web camera that offers up full HD video, 20 meters or up to 20 meters of wireless connectivity. It's also got a built-in battery. I've not seen that before either. So a built-in battery with up to 3 hours of working time on a single charge. Obviously a microphone built in, connects by a 2.4G wireless. We get a USB receiver on here. It's got a 70-degree field of view on the angle. Comes supplied with some instructions to get you up and running. Also, we've got the cable here, so you can use this whilst it's connected, or indeed, of course, you can use this to charge the camera. USB-C on one end, USB-A on the other. We've got the wireless receiver. So this has got a button for connection. Take this off and it is USB-A. So if you need to connect this to USB-C, you would need to use your own adapter to adapt this. And then you get the webcam itself, and I wondered upon first unboxing this why this was a little bit heavier, and that is of course because it's got the built-in battery. We've got the nice optics on the front, we've got the power on button, wireless connectivity button, nice side profile to it, USB-C on the back here of course. And then if we look at the bottom edge here, we can of course open this out to stand it on the back of a monitor as you would with a normal webcam. There is also a threaded mount as well. It works extremely well. The HD video quality from this is very, very good indeed. Nice colour rendition, really nice detail. And what really impressed me with this was the robustness of the wireless connectivity, which made it super useful to use, be able to position it without having to worry about wires. And also the quality of the microphones, really good audio pickup on this one. Very easy to set up. TOALLIN do some fantastic products, and I really do rate the WL168 up there with the best of them. If you want a wireless webcam, because this is very, very useful, then please do check this out. So this is from AirGradient. This is what the product packaging looks like, and this is their Open Air. It's an outdoor air quality monitor, and it's available in either a kit form where you build it yourself, like a DIY kit, or indeed this pre-built version I've got here. Now inside the box we do get a conformity guide or conformity statement, just to show that it's sort of passed the various tests. We also get a thank you card. We get a little bundle here which has got the USB-A to USB-C cable and also the sensors. And then of course we get the unit itself. It's a very compact unit. This is going to connect via an app to display the data that it's collecting. Really nicely made though, very impressed. Round on the back here we have got the sort of mounting pieces here, these little keyhole bits here, so you can actually mount this on a wall. And on the bottom here we've got a little LED light, a reset switch and USB-C for connecting the cable. Very useful product. The data it collects is also extremely useful as well, and I think the way that AirGradient have positioned this either as a DIY kit or indeed as this pre-built kit is very interesting indeed. I've been really impressed with the data this has been collecting. I've actually been testing another one of their devices as well, and I'm equally impressed with that. If you want to monitor your air quality, then this is definitely worth checking out. This is from AirGradient. It's their AirGradient ONE indoor air quality monitor. So this is a really cool and very interesting product that's going to monitor your indoor air quality and then give you some really good data. It's available in either a kit form where you build it yourself or in this pre-built ready to go version. Inside the box we get a little thank you card. We also get a declaration of conformity statement as well. We get a cable, so this is USB-A to USB-C. We also get some little tiny sort of bracket stands things. It's going to aid you with mounting the device and sort of propping it up. And then of course we get the device itself. You can see the slots obviously to allow for the air quality sensors to work. We've got a little tiny display here. This does connect to an app as well, so that you can get to the data basically. And then we've got USB-C on the bottom here for connecting to power. So now you can see this is connected to power. It's giving you a readout for the current temperature, CO2, etc. and various other readings. It's a really useful device that also connects to an app, of course, I mentioned earlier, and that allows you to actually gain access to all of the data that it's recording. Very nicely built. Love the build quality, love the geekiness of being able to really delve into the air quality data, both indoors with this version, and there is also an outdoor version available as well. That is absolutely brilliant. I think AirGradient have got it just right with this one, and I really do appreciate the quality and the amount of data that this actually monitors and collects. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these pieces of tech was your favourite. And of course, if you want to purchase any, there are links in the video description. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.